we got here? Look at this one here. These cats just got called fat. There's one in there and one in there near the garden. Hello, Fuzzball. Come here, Fuzzball. Here, Fuzzball. Here, Fuzzball. Here, Fuzzball. You want to be let in, don't ya? I'm going to find your mate down the entryway. Tabby. Oh, there he is. This one. Oh, look what goes on behind these entryways. Loads of stray cats. Oh, he's not a stray. This one's not. They've got a collar. They're 99.9% non-stray. Hello. Hello, Fuzzball. Nice cat, aren't you? You know, you're not fat. Look how cute you are. Not fat. Oh, run away. Come here. No, don't run away. You're very cute. You're very cute. Oh, come here. Hello. Hello. Fuzzball. Oh. Lovely, aren't you? Come here. Oh, so cute you are.